I am Dr. A. Manoj Kumar, Head Department of Physical Education. Today I am going to explain about fitness and wellness. Let me explain about fitness. Fitness is a broad term that means something different to each person, but it all refers to your optional health and overall well-being. Being fit not only means physical health but also emotional and also social. It defines every aspect of your health. Smart eating and active learning are fundamentals to fitness. When you are fit, some kind of factors are exempt from yourself, that is, enable individuals to engage in vigorous tasks and leisure activities. It also handles emergency, which is in the emergency situation. It impels a reasonable measure of motor skills in the performance of selected activities. Wellness includes emotional, mental, social, spiritual and intellectual dimension of health. There are so many components of physical fitness. Let me explain about one by one. That is cardiorespiratory or cardiovascular endurance, body composition, muscular strength, muscular endurance and flexibility. What are the benefits of being physically fit? Being fit in physiological, which is muscular and skeletal systems, it helps the heart and circulatory system. Also it helps lungs and respiratory system, digestive and excretory system, nervous system and the total body composition. Also it improves posture and flexibility. It improves appearance, also the feeling of well-being. The components of motor fitness. It consists of 5 criteria: agility, balance, coordination, power, quickness and speed. It improves skills and performance of the athlete. It gives athletes and active people more enjoyment in playing all the sports, and certain components help individual as they become age. Why we have to start now? There are chances, many chances you are still in good health. Only 46% of people get enough physical activity to see results in fitness level. It enables you to establish lifetime activities that will help you to improve your fitness level. Fitness and health. The word health is often associated only with physical fitness, but there are other components of health. Fitness means readiness. Fit people are better equipped than non-fit people. The level of fitness includes all aspects of health and life. It affects physical, mental and social health. As I said earlier, fitness is the overall components of fitness, physical, physiological and social. But here, what is fitness? Fitness is the ability of your body system to work efficiently. A fit person is able to carry out all type of activity in their home or in their work area. There are certain criteria which comes from physical activity and exercise. Physical activity is a general term that includes sports, dance and activities done at work or at home, such as walking, climbing stairs or roaming near to the lawn. When people do exercise, especially for the purpose of getting fit, they will call it as exercises. What are the benefits of health and wellness in physical activity? Regular physical activity can do much to prevent disease and illness. It can help you looks you best Besides looking better, people who do regular physical activity feel better, go better on academic work, and are less depressed than people who are less active. Regular physical activity results in physical fitness, which is the key to being able to do more things what you want to do and enjoy life. It allows you to be fit enough to meet emergency and day to day demanding situation. Being physically fit or active can build fitness, which in turn provides you with many health and wellness benefits. There are there are two physical fitness criteria, that is health related physical fitness and skill related physical fitness. Health related means it helps you to stay healthy. If it comes on skill related, it helps you to perform in sports or any other activity that requires certain skills. Health related physical fitness. There are 5 components of health related physical fitness, that is cardiorespiratory endurance, strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. In skill related physical fitness, that is main depend on the skills. There are different sports requires different part of skills. Many sports require several parts. For example, a skater might have a good agility, but may not possess good power. Some people have more natural ability in skills area than others. Good health does not comes from being good in skill. The common components in physical fitness is agility. Agility is the ability to change the position of your body quickly and to control body's movement. People with good health or good agility are most likely to be good at activities such as diving, soccer, ice skating, wrestling, etc. And the next one is balance. Balance is the ability to keep an upright posture while standing still or in moving position. People with good balance are mostly like to be good in activities such as gymnastic, ice skating, rhythmic gymnastic, sky jumping, surfing, etc. And the next one is power. Power is the ability to use strength and speed. People with good power might have the ability to put the short throw with the discus, high jump, play, football, speed in swimming, speed in skating, etc. Next one is reaction time. Reaction time is the amount of time it takes to move one place once you realize the next need to act. People with good reaction time are able to make fast starts in track or swimming or dodge a ball attack in fencing or karate. Next one is speed. Speed is the most important component in all the physical training aspects. Speed is the ability to perform a movement or cover a distance in a short period of time. People with leg speed can run fast, while people with good arm speed can throw fast or hit a ball that is thrown fast. How to obtain a lifetime fitness? Step 1, doing a physical activity, and step 2, after doing a physical activity you will be getting fit, and step 3, when you are fit you have to assess yourself, that is step number 3, self assessment. Step 4, self planning. Self planning means plan your schedule and your diet. Based on that you will become a fit person. Step 4, after your self planning, the schedule will be based on your activity. So, you will achieve the lifetime activity. When the step 5 is activated, you will become the lifetime fitness. Living a healthy life. Healthy living is a combination of many things, including good nutrition, regular exercises and a positive attitude. Taking care of your body and feeling pride in your accomplishment can improve both physical and mental health. There are many things you can do to improve your quality of life. Improving your diet and exercising regularly are two of the easiest steps no matter how small you start. For example, adding a small apple or apple in your diet, or walking a 5 minutes walking 5 minutes in a day can make you a change and an improvement in your life. Based on the slideshow, you can see how to do a fitness and what are all the components comes under the fitness, and framing a diet, framing a schedule will help you and it will achieve you in the lifetime. Thank you.